Okay, so today, let us continue our discussion about the rates of interest. Tapos more problems tayo about continuous compounding and then discount. So, nominal rate of interest. So, what is a nominal rate of interest? Okay, nominal na sinasabi. Nominal. So, the nominal rate of interest specifies the rate of interest and a number of interest periods in 1 year. Pag sinabi sa problem mo that the interest is compounded annually at 10%, that is nominal. Okay? And that is designated by this equation. So, I, lagyan mo ng N, nominal is equal to R, or the rate, divided by M period, the compounding period per year. Okay? And then shall be multiplied by the number of years that it will be accruing. Okay. So, that is nominal rate of interest. Now, if the nominal rate of interest is 10%, okay, meron dyan sinasabi, the nominal rate of interest is 10%. Pag sinabing compounded quarterly, semi-annually, monthly, and compounded annually, the resulting will be 2.5%. That is the nominal rate of 10% that is compounded quarterly. Okay? Yan yung nominal. 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 Ang nominal dyan is the amount that is compounding dun sa rate na yun. Okay? Mamaya, sabihin ko sa inyo yung mas madaling paraan. Okay? Now, the effective rate of interest. Interest effective. Okay, it is the actual or exact rate of interest for the principal during 1 year. If 1 peso is invested at a nominal rate of 15%, compounded quarterly, after 1 year, this will become. So, it is yung effective, you will always have to convert it into a year's term of payment. Okay? Intindihan ba? So, the actual interest earned is, so yun, interest actual interest, 1586. Yan yung actual interest. Therefore, the rate of interest after 1 year is 15.86. Okay? 15.86%. Now, anong ibig mong sabihin dyan? Sir, kailangan ko kasing i-convert yung effective rate na binigay dyan. Ito, effective rate to of a nominal rate. And then you will convert it into a year's term. Paano may ko-convert, sir? Ito yun, no? Yung equation. So, 1 plus I raised to M minus 1 equal to 1 plus R over M raised to M minus 1. Sir, may mas madali ka pa ba dito? Actually, there is. Okay. Now, there are types of interest for compounding interest. Okay. The nominal, the actual, and then effective. Kapag sinabi sa problem, without compounding, the rate of interest is 10%, that is actual. Pag sinabing the rate of interest is 10% compounded semi-annually in a year, that is nominal. Kapag sinabing the effective rate of 10% compounded semi-annually to annual, that is effective. Yun po ang pinagkaiba. Ayan. The type of interest rate for compound interest, example, 12% compounded quarterly, that is nominal. Ang word mo doon is the compounded. The keyword is compounded. 12% compounded. Wala sinabing annual. That is also nominal pa rin. Okay? Pag sinabing in-specify, quarterly, okay, that is the mode of the compounding of your nominal interest. Now, we have compounding frequencies here. You have annually, semi-annually, quarterly, bi-monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, daily, and continuously. So, ang annually, ibig sabihin in a year, tutubo ka ng isang beses lang dun sa iyong effective interest rate or nominal interest rate. Now, for semi-annual, twice, quarterly, 4 na beses ang taon. Monthly, that is 12 in a year. Bi-monthly, that is twice every 2 months. Okay? Every 2 months. Semi-monthly, that is twice in a month. Daily, that is daily, di ba? Every day. So, weekly, that is 52 weeks in a year. And then, continuously, that is walang katapusan. Okay? So, eto, paano naman kapag actual? Pag sinabing 12% quarterly, wala yung word na compounded. 12% compounded, that is actual. And you can convert it into effective using this formula. This one. Now, the actual interest rate of an investment in 1 year or the interest rate for any compounded that will give the same accumulation as computed annually, that is effective rate of interest. You will turn your compounding in any mode into a year's term. Okay, yun ang effective. Ibig sabihin, mahabang tawag, effective interest rate of a year. Okay. For effective interest rate, it is the exact rate of interest earned on the principal during 1 year. Okay. So, yung 4% compounded annually, pwedeng ganito yan. Pwede silang maging equal sa isa't isa. Depende sa value na ibibigay. Okay? So, you can follow. Meron akong gagawin dyan. Now, for the factors in compound interest, meron mga tinatawag dyan. Kapag sinabing future amount, single payment yan. Ibig sabihin, kikita ka. Pag kumita ka, future na yon. Single payment compound amount factor, that is denoted by this one. If single payment present worth, that is on the present worth of the money. Okay? That is negative. Okay? Kabaliktaran. For continuous compounding, walang katapusan na nagko-compound yung iyong pera. Okay? The formula will be PERN. P-E-R-N. F is equal to P-E-R-N. Okay? PERN. So, the other formula, okay, for effective interest rate of the compounding, that is E raised to IC minus 1. Okay? So, I have taught you cash flow diagram. Yan. Mas maganda, mas maintindihan natin to if we can solve problems involving this. Now, you have here, the effective rate of interest is 14% compounded semi-annually. You want to convert it into effective rate. Okay? Paano gagawin mo dyan? Sige. Paano mo daw siya gagawin effective rate? If this is your nominal, you will compound it effectively. Effective rate. So, IE, ano bang formula ni IE yung naka-include dito? Sabi, ayun. Simplify natin. Okay. Effective rate. So, E I is equal to 1 plus I E raised to N minus 1. And this is equal to 1 plus R M raised to N minus 1. So, equate natin yung dalawa. We can cancel this one. Okay, parehas naman sila. So, I, E, diba? 1 plus I, E raised to M is equal to 1 plus R, M raised to M. Parehas lang ba sila ng power? Yes. Pwedeng ganito. M, ln of 1 plus I, E is equal to 1 plus R M raised to ln mo na rin to. M ln 1 plus R over M. Pero ang haba naman yan. Meron akong simplified dyan. Okay? Let me post this. Okay, so I have here the summary ng simple interest, compound interest, and then yung effective rate. So, ER, effective rate niya, is equal to yung interest divided by P, yung principal. Okay? Interest divided by principal, or that is equal to 1 minus R over M raised to M minus 1. Effective rate in a year's term. Okay? For continuous compounding, ito na rin yung kanyang summary. And let's get back. Yan. Dito sa ating module. Okay. Ito, may simplify mo na yan to effective interest that is equal to 1 plus R over M raised to M minus 1. Ito na yung effective rate mo. Okay? Now, effective rate, hinahanap, compounded semi-annually. Also, effective interest rate, 1 plus R, that is 14%, 0.14, divided by M, ilan? Compounded semi-annually, 2 beses ang taon, raised to 2 minus 1. So, IE is equal to, may ako na ipakita to ha, kung paano ma-solve yung given effective rate, hahanapin mo yung rate of interest nominal. So, that is, calculate na natin. So, 1 plus 0.14 divided by 2 raised to 2 minus 1. So, ano yung effective interest rate? So, that's 0.1449. That is the effective rate in a year.